Hey there, welcome to another episode of my blog. Today, I will be sharing with you a Choco caramel muffin recipe. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so that you will be notified of my future videos. And for our ingredients, we will do the following. 1 cup white sugar, 2 small-sized eggs, 1 cup fresh milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 200 grams all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 cup cocoa powder, caramel sauce for our filling, and dark chocolate chips for our toppings. And now that we're ready with our ingredients, we are ready for our baking process. In a clean mixing bowl, we add in the sugar, and we add the eggs. And we mix them together. We are looking for a fine cream consistency. So we continue mixing until we arrive at the correct consistency. I think this is ready, and we are ready for our next batch of ingredients. We add in the fresh milk, next is the oil. For the last batch of ingredients is the dry ingredients, starting off with all-purpose flour. We add in the flour in 2 batches and mixing them in between so that we avoid the lumps, and the rest of the all-purpose flour is into our bowl. And then we mix them, making sure that we dissolve all the lumps. We continue mixing until the batter becomes smooth and the lumps are dissolved. Now it's the baking powder. Next is the salt. And now we are down to our last ingredient, the cocoa powder. Same thing with all-purpose flour, we add in the cocoa in 2 batches and we mix them in between so that the batter is well incorporated. And the last remaining cocoa powder is in our bowl. Again, we mix the mixture until we arrive at the correct consistency. And that's it, we are ready to fill in our cups. This recipe will be able to make 12 pieces of muffin. filling, using a pastry bag, we pipe in the caramel sauce in the middle of the muffin batter. So we pipe in the caramel sauce one at a time. And with our dark choco chips, we top in each of the muffin. And now we're ready to bake. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.